will discuss article in German language. Okay, so every noun has a fixed article in German language. Okay, so this is der, die, and das. Okay, so if you want to say like the book, okay, so how can you say das Buch? Okay, yeah, so there are two types of article in German language. Okay, first is bestimmt article. Okay, second is unbestimmt article. Okay, and today, okay, yeah, so first is article. Okay, so nouns are most often preceded by either a definite article or an indefinite article, like English. Okay, like in English, we use definite article or indefinite article before noun. Okay, same in German. Okay, like there are two types of article in German. First is bestimmt and second one is unbestimmt. Okay, so what is bestimmt article? Okay, bestimmt article is a definite article. Like in English, you say the, okay, which is bestimmt article. Okay, but in German, we use der, die, das. Okay, in case of the. Okay, so because every noun has a gender in German language. Okay, and if it is masculine, then we write der. If the noun is feminine, then we write die, and if noun is neutral, then we write das. Okay, so like in unbestimmt article, we use ein, eine, ein. Okay, like in English, you use a or n. Okay, yeah, so first is bestimmt article. Okay, bestimmt article is a definite article, and generally we denote bestimmt article with der, die, and das in German. Okay, like in English you say the book. Okay, and in German we say das Buch. So why das Buch? Because gender of book is das. Gender of book is neutral. Okay, and we show neutral by das in German. Okay, next is the cat. Okay, so gender of cat in German is feminine. Oh, okay, so we write die Katze. Okay, and next is the pen. Pen is masculine in German language. Okay, so we denote it by der. Okay, guys, der Pulli. Okay, and this is the table of bestimmt article. You can see here in nominative case we use der, die, das, and die. Okay, if the noun is masculine, then we use der. If the noun is feminine, then we use die. Okay, if the noun is neutral, then we use das. Okay, if the noun is plural, then we use die. Okay, yeah. Today we are only discussing bestimmt article and unbestimmt article. Okay, in next session we will discuss nominative, accusative, and dative. Okay, so second one is unbestimmt article. Okay, guys. So unbestimmt article is a indefinite article, and generally we denote unbestimmt article with ein, eine, ein in German language. Okay, so you can see here in English we say a or n, but in German ein, eine, ein. Ein we use for masculine, eine we use for feminine. Okay, and ein we use for neutral. Okay, like a book. Okay, so book is neutral. That's why we write here ein Buch. Okay, next is a cat. Okay, cat is feminine in German. Okay, so we write here eine Katze. Okay, and next is a pen. Pen is masculine in German language. Okay, yeah, der Pulli. Okay, so we write here ein Pulli. Okay, so this is the table of unbestimmt article. Okay, in masculine we write ein, in feminine we write eine. Okay, in neutral we write ein. Plural doesn't exist in unbestimmt article. Okay, so now we will make a sentence. Okay, if I say, okay, that is the book. That is the book. Okay, or in another sentence you can say that is a book. Okay, so how can we write this sentence? Okay, first we write the subject. Okay, then we write the verb, and then we write the object. Like here, first we write the subject, then verb, and then object. Okay, so the sentence will be, okay, das, okay, is ist, das ist, okay, das Buch. So why das Buch? Because article of book, or you can say book, is neutral. Okay, that's why we use das. You can see in this table, for neutral, okay, for neutral noun we use das. Okay, yeah, that's why I have used here das ist, das Buch. Okay, this das means that. Okay, yeah, das ist das Buch. Next example is this is a book. Okay, guys. So what will be right here? Das ist. Okay, and in unbestimmt article, das changes into ein. Okay, so we will write here das ist ein Buch. Okay, you can see here in unbestimmt article neutral we use ein. Okay, so we write here das ist ein Buch. Okay, yeah, let's take an example of masculine. Okay, if I say that is the pen, okay, and in another sentence we say that is a pen. Okay, so what will be the sentence? Okay, das ist, okay, der Pulli. So why der Pulli? Because Pulli is masculine, yeah, and its article is der. Okay, yeah, here is the, that's why we will use bestimmt article. Okay, and in bestimmt article table is der, die, das, die, and Pulli is masculine, so we will write der. Next is this is a pen. So you can write here das ist ein Pulli. Okay, guys. So why ein Pulli? Because article of Pulli is der, and in unbestimmt article for masculine noun we write ein. Okay, that's why I have written here ein. Okay, guys. Yeah. Now we will take an example of feminine. If I say that, okay, is the cat. That is the cat. Okay, and another sentence is that is a cat. Okay, so the sentence will be das ist die Katze. Okay, why die Katze? In bestimmt article by die. Okay, you can see here die. Okay, that's why das ist die Katze. And in unbestimmt article we show it by eine. So das ist eine Katze. Okay, this is a cat. Okay, guys. So this is the article. Okay, yeah, bestimmt article und unbestimmt article. Okay, now I'm taking a last example. Okay, if I say that are the books, that are the books, or you can say these are the books. Okay, so how can we say das sind, okay, die Bücher. Das sind die Bücher. Okay, Bücher is plural. Okay, this is in plural form. Okay, so the article is die. Okay, and in unbestimmt article plural doesn't exist. Okay, yeah, so das sind die Bücher. Okay, you can see the article here. Okay, die Bücher. Okay, guys, danke schön, thank you for watching.